Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to make a very simple candle that takes only about 30 minutes to create. Instead of using a jar, this candle has real shell as the base. For this candle I will be using soy wax S100, 6% fragrance oil, a cotton wick and a bit of candle dye. First I will melt the wax. Once the wax is fully melted, I will add the dye and the fragrance oil, and I will mix it well to make sure everything is perfectly incorporated. Next, I will fix the wick inside the shell using a double-sided tape, making sure it's centered, and then I carefully pour the wax into the shell. I will let the candle cool completely, and while it's setting, I will prepare the decoration using silicone molds. For this candle, I'm using shapes like starfish, seahorse, and the mermaid tail. Now I will move to the next stage, which is pouring the wax into the silicone molds, and I will leave them for a while to get cool. Once the candle base is fully hardened, I lightly melt the surface with a heat gun. Then I will place the decorative wax elements on top, securing them nicely, and trim the wick. And this is the final result, a simple, elegant shell candle with a sea-inspired design. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. See ya!